Hey, what's up with the high performance racing team? You know I got Donk Master. Yeah, Donk Master. He be on my YouTube channel. You know Big Chief from the Street Outlaws. He be watching.
That's how you talking.
Yeah, I'm finna be chilling with Big Chief now. Yeah, when he get old, I'm probably gonna have to drive his car because he ain't gonna be able to handle it. Big Chief, man, he be watching my YouTube channel. He like when I say 434 dispatch.
434.
He like when I hit that 434 dispatch. We got a report of a goddamn me. Nah, but I don't know, man. I got people famous, bro. I got Demonology. I got Demonology, Big Chief. Who else? That's good enough. Murder. I'll be having Murder. He done switched back. Everything. You remember when everything was kind of wishy-washy? I got everything straight. Everything straight now. So I got Murder, Demonology, Big Chief. It just get bigger and bigger, man. I'm trying to get on the Carlos Miller, you know him?
I think so.
Black dude got 85 South show.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to get on there. I'm gonna mention you when I get on there, fool. Hey, it's gonna be throwed off when I get on there. I'm trying to get to the 85 South show. I ain't seen Big Chief yet. You know they made a pass at Yello Belly.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did.
Big Chief?
Big Chief from the Street Outlaws. He went to Yello Belly and made a pass, recorded it, put it on his channel and everything. Yeah, I'm for real. But they ain't called me. And other people had the footage. I ain't like that a little bit. I'm like, how you like my channel? And they ain't called me. But he gonna call me next time. They gonna call me next time. I'm gonna pull up on them. They gonna have me pull up on them. I'm gonna have my YouTube channel jumping. They probably don't want me to go live because people gonna be trying to pull up right. You think if I go live and Big Chief, they go, oh shit, Big Chief. They gonna try to, I'm gonna have to record it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to record it. I can't go live. Hey, Big Chief, I ain't gonna go live, man. I'm gonna go record it, man, like everybody else. I gotta let him know. He be watching. I gotta let him know. It sound like the car's coming. Hey, y'all, for the people watching on TikTok, y'all need to come on over to my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, so y'all can watch it on widescreen 1080p. Because right now, y'all can only see about one car at a time. At least if you come to my YouTube channel, you can see two. My boy High Performance with Extra Voltage just talked to Elon. We finna start doing our thing. I'm finna sell a Caprice, give me some EV. I appreciate that, man. On the tower side of the Phil's trailer sales lane. Set to go down the hill to Dodge Cedar Creek. Lane 479 to 9. Boy, he got a big old wheel in there, y'all. Can this car with the factory steering wheel beat this over there with that? Look. this the track out 45 South.